Today, let's explore how businesses are boosting efficiency and security, all by going digital.
You know, it all starts with a question you've probably heard a million times at work. Yeah, that daily treasure hunt for old paper records, it just wastes so much valuable time. Just look at the difference. You've got manual chaos versus clean digital clarity. But you know, it's not just an inconvenience. All that manual stuff actually costs a ton of money. Get this.
Businesses often spend 2 to 3 times more on these problems than a digital fixed costs.
And those costs? They come from wasted time, no real-time visibility, and some pretty major security risks. So the answer is pretty simple, right? Ditch the paper chaos for digital control.
All right, let's get into it. The Security First Digital Platform, or SFDP for short.
It pulls all your separate daily tasks, like visitors and deliveries, into one single connected system.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's check out a couple of common examples. First up, visitor management. Say goodbye to that old logbook. It's now a simple digital process.
And this same idea can replace pretty much any paper logbook your business uses.
Basically, if you write it in a register, this platform can make it digital. That's the core promise. Seriously, you can digitize anything. Vehicle logs, maintenance checks, security records, you name it. So what's the real payoff here? Well, the platform delivers results you can actually measure. For admin and security teams, we're talking a huge 25 to 35% drop in effort. And this thing is definitely road tested. Users have already created over 1.7 million digital records.
It really boils down to this. When you get organized, you feel secure. Simple as that.
So it leaves you with one final question, right? Is your company's first line of defense stuck in the past?